calling Evo, power beyond belief.
Hi, I'm not trying to complain, but I'm wondering how a company that revolutionized the outdoor power industry hasn't solved string trimmer line changing. Every time I go out for what should be a 45-minute job, I spend another half hour winding a trimmer line puzzle. And if I measure the line wrong, I have to start all over. How am I supposed to get my work done like that? Anyhow, you'd think the company that created a true gas alternative could solve this. Why isn't there a solution?